Hey, good morning, everyone. Today we are reviewing another Bluetooth outdoor speaker by Anker, and it's called Soundcore by Anker. It's a motion boom portable waterproof speaker with a playtime of 24 hours, and it is a Bluetooth. It says that it has a very good bass quality, and that is why it is called Extreme Outdoor Sound motion boom speaker. So let's open it up and let's see how it is. What's inside the box? It's the first time we opened, so it's just got in actually. I wanted to get a good quality speaker in a price range of about $100, and this was right and just below $100 mark. So let's see what's inside this. And I'm sorry about the video. The box is just so big it couldn't fit into my it's not, it just takes the whole screen. So my bad if it doesn't turn out to be as good as I expected to be, but my intent is to show you what's inside. So whoa, that's nice. It's a small how do we sound. It's a small booklet probably telling you about how to set it up. I can already see a USB-C cable, so I believe that is for charging. A regular USB to USB-C cable. And let's pull it out of the box. So there you go. There's nothing else in the box, so that was it. A charging cable, a small booklet, and a speaker. I really like that it comes with a handle. You can actually, because I've seen the pictures, how they advertise, they just hold it and the people are holding and walking. Whoa, that's a good size. It's a pretty good size and heavy. It's called Soundcore Motion Boom. Very nice. It has a shiny black texture. I personally like matte black, but that's okay as long as it sounds good. So I can already see through the screen there are two speakers in it, and that tells me how they are, that it has a good bass to it. Plus minus for the volume button, power on off, there's a bass mode, the Bluetooth mode. This is something that we'll find out later. At the bottom you see it says it's output, input, the model number, the made in, and in the back I believe that's where the charging cable goes. Let's see. Yep. So you can actually IQ, it says IQ, and there's a USB port and input with USB-C port. So let's see what that means. Let's open the manual and let's figure that out. There's a charging cable, and that's a small cute manual that comes with it. So let's see. So I'll just open it up. How do we sound? Oh, okay. It says that if we sound great, just give it a review. If not as good as it I hoped, they said they can put things right for us if we just give them a call. So how do we sound? All right, so another quick smart guide. Okay, that's all we need. So we know all the basic buttons except this one, TWS button, what that does. So these are the basic functions. TWS. Okay, TWS 1, TWS 2. Maybe it's a pretty common thing that I'm just not aware of, but I believe we will figure that out. It says here TWS, but it doesn't say anything other than that, and this has nothing, no information. It's just safety information in it. So all the usage information to set it up is on this. So TWS, TWS 1 time, 2 times, the volume. I guess it looks like I'll just figure it out once I get to play it. So I'm pretty hopeful that this is what I was looking for, considering the price range and the good size of it with these two speakers. That does look like they're gonna be good bass speakers. So let's hope this is finally my search ends here and I get what I want. Oh, and I forgot to show you the side. You see how this thing is? That's also a good indication that this will actually have a good bass to it. Alright guys, this was it for today. We have just unboxed a Soundcore speaker by Anker. I hope you like this video, and looking forward to sharing more unboxing videos with you all. Thank you.